Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss about the thallus structure in Rhodophyta or thallus organization in Rhodophyta. So depending on their thallus structure, we have to know about thallus. Thallus means the plant body does not form root, leaves or stem, or you cannot differentiate root, leaves and stem in their bodies. This is called as thallus. In Rhodophyta, there are two types of thallus organization. One is unicellular and another is multicellular. In the Rhodophyta, motile forms are unknown. Unicellular and colonial forms are rare. Porphyridium is the common unicellular red alga. With the exception of two genera, all the red algae have a multicellular macroscopic thallus, which is very diverse in form. It may be filamentous, for example, Goniotrichum, ribbon-like or plate-like parametus, example, Porphyra. The filamentous thallus is the most beautiful of all the algae. It is mostly branched and tufted. The simple filament, which is so commonly found in freshwater green algae, is met with very rarely. The apparently simple in some form may have an additional covering of corticating filaments. In fact, the thallus of red algae is built on the following two architectural plans: uniaxial and multiaxial. Uniaxial means the thallus in this case consists of an axial filament with or without cortication. The axial filaments bear richly branched laterals. For example, Acrocytium is the example of this category. The laterals is some, for example, Gymnelera, may be organized to form a uniaxial pseudoparenchymatous thallus. Another is multiaxial. The thallus consists of a tub of axial filaments, each bearing laterals which radiate out to the margin. The central filaments, together with the branches, form a pseudoparenchymatous thallus. The filamentous form have beautiful plant bodies with feathery branches, more leisure and delicate than the robust brown algae. In fact, Delesseria and Plocamium are a real delight to behold. The thalli usually are attached to rocks or solid substratum in water by holdfast. The stony thalli of some calcareous red algae such as Corallina and Lithothamnion are heavily impregnated with the lime and form the coral reefs. Except The Bangioideae, the growth of the thallus is apical. The only exception in the Floridae are Corallinaceae and Deliseriaceae, in which it is intercalary. Branching in red algae is chiefly monopodial. In fact, on the basis of this uniformity in morphology and reproduction, some algologists suggest monophyletic origin of the red algae.